Hi viewers, welcome to Akshaya Vlogs and Crafts. Today, let's see Vakrakali Amman Temple, Thiruvakkarai. Sri Chandra Mauliswarar Temple, Thiruvakkarai, Vakrakali Amman Temple, Viluppuram District, Tamil Nadu. This is the 30th Devara Padal Petra Sthalam in Thondai Nadu. The temple is on the banks of the river Varaha, Sangarabharani River, Ginji River and spreads over 10 acres. This place has many ancient histories with archaeological findings. This temple is well known for Vakrakali Amman rather than Lord Shiva of this temple, which is immediately after the Rajagopuram. Secular mentions after worshipping Lord Shiva of Thiruvadugudur came to this place. Thiruvakkarai கன்னிமாவனம் காப்பு என இருந்தவர் கழலினை பணிந்து அங்கு முன்னம் மாமுடக்கால் முயற்கு அருள் செய்த வண்ணமும் மொழிந்து ஏத்தி மன்னுவார் பொழில் திருடுகூரினை வந்து எய்தி வணங்கி போய் பின்னுவார் சடையார் திருவக்கரை பிள்ளையார் அணைவுற்றார். After Thiruvadugur Shiva temple, Thiruஞான Sambandar has sung hymns in praise of Lord Shiva of this temple. கரையணி மாமிடற்றான் கரிகாடரங் காவுடையான் பிறையணி கொன்றையினான் ஒரு பாகமும் பெண்ணமர்த்தான் மறையவன் ரன்தலையில் பலிகொள்பவன் வக்கரையில் உறைபவன் எங்கள் பிரான் ஒளியார் கழல் உள்குதுமே. மூலவர் ஸ்ரீ சந்திரமௌலீஸ்வரர், ஸ்ரீ சந்திரகேஸ்வரர், consort Sri Amideswari, Sri Vadivudai Ambal. Some of the important details are the Rajagopuram is of 7 tiers. The Vakrakali Amman Sannidhi, Vakrakali looks ferocious with Petra Kundala, Kabala Kreetam, Kabala Mala, holes, Damru, sword, Katari, Pasam in hands and Kore teeth. A Sri Chakra was installed by Adi Shankara. This Sannidhi also has Saptamantrikas, believed to be of Pallava style. Yogeshwara Linga and Valampuri Vinayagar are also there. 2 Dwarapalakas on each side are there with tonsured heads. Is immediately after the Rajagopuram and has to go to the Shiva temple through this Vakrakali Amman temple and Vakralingam, also known as Atmalingam and Kandalinga Sannadhi, facing west. This was worshipped by Vakrasuran. The Shiva Linga will be cold in summer and droplets will be visible top during rainy season. That half of the Rishabham is only visible outside after Vakrakali Amman temple and front of Atmalinga Sannidhi. Vasanta Mandapam, a 100-pillar mandapa, is on the right side before the main temple. On the left, Palipidam with Rishabham with Mandapam in front of the second level Rajagopuram, Kiligopuram, Rishabham is a little large in size. Dwaraganapati and Murugan are on the right side of the second level Rajagopuram. Moolavar has faces of Chandra, Mahavishnu, Indra and Lord Shiva's face as Arupam. A mirror is placed on the back side of the Moolavar to see the back side. In Koshtam, Dakshinamurti, Mahavishnu, Tayar on the opposite side, Brahma and Durgai. Brahma is in the niche and others are in the ground level since they are big in size. In the Artha Mandapa, Chandran, Suryan, Vinayagar, Dwarapalakas, second level, Arumugar and Veerabhadra. In the outer Prakaram, Ambal temple is on the right and on the left images of Sapta Matrikas, Kundali Munis, Jiva Samadhi, Sannadhi with a Shiva Lingam on the top. In Koshtam, Dakshinamurti, Thirumal, Sannidhi, Varadaraja Perumal facing west and Garudalvar and Anuman are facing opposite to each other. Navagrahas, Sani's Vahanam is facing south, Sahasrara Lingam Sannidhi and Murugan Sannidhi. Dwarapalakas which Simha Vahanas are at the entrance of inner Prakaram. In the inner Prakaram, Nalvar, Here also there is no greedom for Sundarar. Vinayagar, Valli Devasena, Subramanyar, Vadabi Ganapati, Pichadanar, Lingodbavar, Brahma, Bhairavar, Arthanariswarar, Durgai, Kundalini Munivar, Nageshwarar, Kala Bhairavar, Chandigeshwarar, Agastya Lingam, and Nararaja Sabha kept in safe locked. Nararaja dance is Vakra dance with leg above hip and keeping the legs positions are like Madurai. In front, Mandapam Sannidhi for Vinayagar, 16 faces Dara Shivalingam Veerabhadra with 8 hands. Ambal Vadivudai Ambigai is in a separate Sannidhi on the right side or north side immediately after the Kili Gobram. The speciality of this temple is all the entrance first level Rajagobram to the Molavar, Rishabham, Palibidam are not in a straight line. Shiva is facing west, whereas Mahavishnu is facing west, etc. The 15th century Arunagirinathar also worshipped Lord Muruga of this temple and has sung hymns in praise of Lord Muruga. Kulagiri, Pottala, Alaikadal, Vatrida, Nisisara, Naiporu, Mailvira, Kunatara, Vittaga, Kumara, Punathidai, Kuramaga, Laipunar, Manimarba, Alaipuna, Litraval, Valainila, Vaitaru, Manithiru, Vakkare, Uraivone, Adiyavar, Ichayan, Yevai, Utrana, Avaitaru, Vittarul, Perumane. The Kundalini Muni's generation, Vakrasuran, ruled that area and was killed by Kali after worshipping Sri Chandrasekhara, Lord Shiva. As per the Sthala Purana, Vakrasuran, a demon, worshipped Lord Shiva, keeping him in Kandam. Satisfied his devotion, Lord Shiva gave him the boon of non-death. After getting the boon, Vakrasuran started torturing the Devas. After Devas complained to Lord Shiva and asked Mahavishnu to kill Vakrasura, Mahavishnu killed Vakrasura through his chakra. Vakrasuran's sister Tunmukhi also did the torture of Devas like a brother. Lord Shiva asked Ma Parvati to kill her. Ma Parvati took the form of Kali. Kali first tore Tunmukhi's stomach, removed her baby, weared as Preta Kundala, and killed Tunmukhi. Since Kali killed Vakrasuran's sister, she stayed here as Vakrakali and the place is being called as Tiruvakkarai. People believe that worshipping Lord Shiva will remove the Vakradosham and called as Vakradosha Parihara Sthalam with the presence of Vakralinga, Vakrakaliyaman and Vakrasani. People used to circumambulate the Navagraha Sannidhi from anti-clockwise instead of usual clockwise. The Shani will remove Vakra dosha after praying 3 consecutive full moon days. Apart from regular pujas, special pujas are conducted on Paurnami, full moon days, new moon days, Chitra Paurnami Utsavam, Adi Kritigai Utsavam, Kritigai Deepam, Thaipusam and Pongal, Thai Kritigai, Pradosham and Tamil New Year, Teppa Utsavam. The temple is open from 6 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. throughout the day with no lunch break. Town buses are available from Dindivanam bus stand. There's a place called Perumbakam on the Pondi to Dindivanam bus route via Mailam, a famous Murugan temple. From there, Tiruvakkarai is about 6 km. Share autos are available. The temple is 13.8 km from Mailam Murugan temple, 26 km from Dindivanam, 24 km from Pondicherry, 29 km from Viluppuram and 153 km from Chennai. Nearest railway station is Dindivanam. This Thalam is a Padal Petra Thalam by Thirunyana Sambandar, Sundarar, and also this is a Shakti Peedam. Repeating the story again, there was a demon called Vakrashura who worshipped Shiva, keeping her lingam in his throat. He got the boon that he will not be killed by Shiva or his creation. He started torturing people of the area who prayed to Lord Shiva. And since he was invincible due to the boon on request, Varadaraja Perumal came here and vanquished him using the Sudarshana Chakra. Hence, the Perumal is seen here with the chakra about to be released, Prayoga Chakram. After the Ashura's death, his sister Tunmukhi started torturing the people who prayed to Lord Shiva, who deputed Parvati as Vakrakali to annihilate the demoness. At the point, the demoness was pregnant, so in keeping with the Yuddha Dharma of not attacking a fetus, the Divine Mother Kali takes the fetus and puts it in her ear as an earring and kills the demoness. The Ugra of the Kali was subdued by Adi Shankara installing a Sri Chakram to the left of the idol. There are a lot of Vikrams, oddities associated with this temple. The Shiva Lingam worshipped by Vakrasura has the base turned the other way. Shani is seen with his mount, the crow, on his left side. In the Chandramaulishwara temple, the Nandi, Dwajastambam and Shiva are all Vakram, not in alignment. The Nataraja in the Shivan Sannidhi is Vakram, with his right leg lifted unlike in other temples. The Paramas Chakram is in Prayoga, which is side on and not flat as usual, Vakram. The temple is a Parihara Sthalam for Vakra Dosha of Malik positions of the planets. There is a lot of crowd on Tuesdays and during Ragu Kalam on Sundays, not to mention Paunami days. A 10 rupees special ticket cuts the waiting and gets you close to the Kali in the forecourt. The Kali is about 5 feet tall with 8 limbs, with various weapons in each hand, with the right leg raised on the demoness and left index finger pointing down. Next to the shrine is the shrine of Vakreshwarar, the lingam worshipped by Vakrasura. The Nandi for this Shiva is half submerged in cement. The Shiva Lingam is made of a stone that stays cool in summer and has water droplets condensing on it in winter. As you enter the temple, we see the Ambal, Amrudambigai, Vadivambigai, Vadivudayamman Sannidhi on our right and the main Shiva Sannidhi in front. The Ambal, Vadivudayamman is seen standing about 5 feet tall and blessing devotees facing south. The Shiva Lingam, Chandrasekhara, Chandramaulishwara is a rarity with 3 faces carved on it. Mummurti. There are Chandramukha lingams in Nepal and this is the only 3-face lingam. The 3 faces are Agoram with fangs facing you, Vamana with the face on the left and the other one is Tatpurusha. Each Kalam Puja is done to each face of the lingam including 3 Abhishekams. Each face was shown for Chandran, Brahma and Indra after they prayed to Lord Shiva here. Next to Shivan Sannidhi is the Sannidhi of Kundalini Rishi. The outer courtyard leads to the 3rd shrine behind that of Varadaraja Perumal. There is a rare Bhairavar and Kala Bhairavar inside. Next, inside is a rare Vikram of Vishnu as Ram plus Krishna with flute in right hand and a bow in the left hand. This was the darshan he gave to Rukmini and Radha, the Ramakrishna Rupam. Further down, you have a Sannidhi for Kotilingam and a Navagraha Sannidhi with Shani having his mount, the crow, on the left, Vakram. There is a 100-pillared Kalyana Gopuram in between Kali and Shivan temples. A very famous temple with heavy patronage. Kali is a presiding deity for Rahu and Ketu. Hence, people with Shani, Rahu or Ketu doshas throng this temple. Worshipping Kali is supposed to ward off enemies and spell success in business. Various yantrams, rakshai, threads and puja, empowered talisman, coconut is sold in the sannidhis with instruction. They all sell very well. Let's all have the darshan of this god, goddess and get their blessings. Thank you viewers. Bye bye viewers.